Hello friends, this is Deepa, your fashion guide. In my last video, I told you about different body structure we generally have and according to which we can decide which dresses will suit our body. Today I will talk about pear body shape and we will decide what all we can wear to enhance this body shape. Pear body shape is where we have small shoulders, small bust, defined waistline and heavy lower part like big hips, heavy thighs. So we have to wear those dresses which draw attention towards the upper body part. And to do this, what we have to do is we have to wear dresses with nice necklines like off-shoulder dresses, boat neck, big square neck and cowl neck which adds layer to the neckline. These all necklines will enhance your shoulders and will draw attention towards your upper body part. We can add scarves to our neck and we can wear beautiful hats, big jewelry, necklaces, big earrings. We can wear all these things so that attention is drawn away from our lower body part. We can add on beautiful colors, bright colors, beautiful patterns so that the eyes are drawn towards upper body part. We should always keep dark colors for our lower body part like black jeans or dark brown jeans, and we should not play with patterns also for our lower body part. And then what we can do is we can add layers to the upper body part. Since our upper body part is little smaller in comparison to lower body part, we can add 2 or 3 layers. But we should keep in mind that the layers which we add should end up to the waist, like crop jackets. It should not end on the hip because again it will add volume at the hip area. Then our hips will look more volume wise. Or the jacket should be below the thighs. It should end near the knee so that our lower body, our thighs, our hips are hidden. So the jackets should be till the waist or below the hips. And we can add belts to our dresses because pear-shaped body has a very defined waistline. So whatever dress we wear, it should not be loose at the waist. We can add a thin belt at the waist to define our body structure. Then we can wear dresses, off-shoulder dresses, beautiful A-line dresses. The A-line dress is fitted at the waist and then it goes straight, and at the hip it just drapes down. It doesn't add volume at the hip area. We should avoid pleats at the waist because dresses with the pleats add volume at the waist area. So we should go mostly with the A-line dresses, or we can go with the wraparound dresses, or with the fit and flare dresses, so that whatever we wear should be fitted at the waist and the flare should go easily downwards. It should not add volume at the hip area. We should avoid pockets, some embellishment at the hip area because then the attention will be drawn towards the hip area. If we are wearing the jeans, it should be straight fit or boot cut. It can be high waisted and with little flare towards the end so that it balances our feet and the hip area. We can add on with the high heels, pointed bellies, which will again balance the body structure. Then we can add hats, as I said. We can add beautiful colors to our upper body. Let me tell you some celebrities in our Bollywood which have pear-shaped body. like Anushka Sharma, Pariniti Chopra, Rani Mukherjee, Sonakshi Sinha. These are some of the celebrities which have pear-shaped body. So whenever you watch them now, you can see how they dress up. Mostly pear-shaped body we can see in our Indian women, and saris look beautiful on pear-shaped body. This enhances their body shape. And lehenga choli, Indian dresses look very nice on pear-shaped body. What else we can add? Padded shoulders, so that the shoulders become little broad and it balances with the hip area. And we can add some flary sleeves so that upper body parts draws attention. And we should always try to keep solid dark colors for our lower body part. Hope these suggestions will help you in deciding what dresses you should choose for pear body shape. These are my suggestions. These are not rules or defined somewhere. If you like, you can use them in your daily life. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.